For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an electronics business can be a rewarding venture, combining the excitement of technology with the potential for financial success. Whether you want to sell consumer gadgets, repair electronic devices, or manufacture your own products, AI tools can significantly streamline your journey, especially when you leverage free resources. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to launch your electronics business using free AI tools, helping you with planning, marketing, product research, and customer engagement. Step 1. Define your electronics business niche. Before diving in, decide on the specific niche within electronics you want to focus on. This could range from selling smartphones and accessories, repairing devices, manufacturing IoT gadgets, or offering electronic components to hobbyists. Using AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas based on market trends. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT with, "Help me identify profitable niches within the electronics business for 2025, considering consumer demand and market competition." This will generate insights on promising subcategories and emerging trends to help you narrow your focus. Step 2. Conduct market research and competitor analysis. Understanding your target market and competitors is crucial. Free AI-powered platforms like Google Trends allow you to analyze consumer interest over time in various electronics products. Additionally, use ChatGPT to draft surveys or questions for potential customers to gather preferences. You can prompt, "Generate a customer survey to understand preferences for electronic gadgets, including questions on price sensitivity, preferred brands, and desired features." For competitor analysis, tools such as SimilarWeb free tier can provide website traffic data, while ChatGPT can assist in summarizing competitors' strengths and weaknesses by analyzing available information online. Step 3. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan guides your startup and attracts potential investors or partners. You could draft a comprehensive business plan with ChatGPT by using a prompt like, "Create a detailed business plan outline for an electronics retail business, including sections for executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections." ChatGPT will produce a customizable template. Fill in specific details, adjusting the financial and operational parts to your context. Step 4. Source products or components. Decide whether you will manufacture, wholesale, or dropship your electronics products. If manufacturing, explore suppliers and part sourcing. AI tools such as ChatGPT can assist in composing emails or inquiries to suppliers. Use prompts like, "Write a professional email to inquire about bulk pricing and minimum order quantities for electronic components for manufacturers in China." Additionally, use platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress for product sourcing research, with AI tools helping you compare reviews and specifications. Step 5. Develop your brand and logo. Your brand identity will help you stand out. Use free AI-based design tools like Canva's Logo Maker or Loca, free version, to create a professional logo. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate brand name ideas or slogans with a prompt such as, "Suggest 10 creative brand names and slogans for a modern electronics retail store targeting young tech enthusiasts." This helps you establish a consistent and appealing brand image. Step 6. Build an online presence. Most electronics businesses benefit from a strong online presence. Use website builders like Wix or WordPress, which offer free plans and AI-powered templates to create your site. ChatGPT can help write website content, including product descriptions, about us pages, and FAQs. Try prompting. Write engaging and SEO-friendly product descriptions for a new line of wireless headphones. For social media, AI tools like Later or Buffer's free versions can assist in scheduling posts and analyzing engagement. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Marketing is key to attracting customers. Use ChatGPT to design marketing plans tailored to your niche. For example, ask, Create a 3-month digital marketing plan for an electronic startup, focusing on social media advertising, email marketing, and influencer partnerships. Use free AI graphic design tools, such as Canva, to create promotional materials. For content ideas, ChatGPT can generate blog posts, video scripts, or social media captions, helping maintain consistent engagement. Step 8. Set up sales channels and payment systems. Decide where you will sell your electronics: on your website, marketplaces like Amazon or eBay, or in a physical store. Many e-commerce platforms, such as Shopify or BigCommerce, offer free trials and AI tools to optimize sales. To help with product listings, prompt ChatGPT. Generate compelling product titles and descriptions optimized for Amazon SEO for a new smartwatch. Set up payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, which are easy to integrate and widely trusted. Step 9. Manage customer service and support. Excellent customer service can differentiate your business. Use AI chatbots, such as Tidio or Chatbot.com's free plans to automate responses to common customer inquiries, track orders, and offer troubleshooting help. You can create chatbot scripts using ChatGPT with a prompt like, write chatbot responses for frequently asked questions about shipping, returns, and warranty policies for an electronic store. This improves customer experience and reduces your support workload. Step 10. Track performance and scale your business. Use free analytics tools like Google Analytics to monitor website traffic and customer behavior. Combine this with social media insights and sales data to adjust your strategy. For advanced analysis, you can ask ChatGPT to help interpret data trends. Explain the significance of a rising bounce rate and suggest strategies to improve user engagement on an electronics e-commerce site. As you grow, continue exploring AI tools to automate inventory management, forecasting, and personalized marketing to scale efficiently. Starting an electronics business is an exciting challenge that becomes more manageable with the smart use of free AI tools. From initial planning and market research to marketing and customer service, AI can streamline tasks and provide valuable insights. By carefully following these steps and leveraging AI-powered assistance, you can build a strong foundation and increase your chances of success in the competitive electronics market. With dedication and continuous learning, your electronics business can grow from a small startup into a thriving enterprise. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.